Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Here is the letter C, and today we are going to discuss the pronunciation of letter C. Do you know how to pronounce it? My name is Noor Uzma. I teach you English, and today we are going to discuss when to pronounce the letter C as S sound or when to pronounce C as K sound. Let's begin. We all know that in English, letter C is mostly pronounced as a K sound. We also know that it is also pronounced as a S sound. Could you please speak aloud a word to hear the difference? Car, K sound. City, S sound. Right. Let me tell you the names of these two types of sound. These two types of sounds are called hard and soft C. The letter C has two sounds like soft, and soft sound is S sound, and hard sound that is K sound. Here I have highlighted hard sound with red color and soft sound with blue color. Look at the word access. Access. The first C is giving hard sound of K and second C is giving soft sound of S. The second word is accent. Accent. The first C is giving K sound and the second C is giving S sound. The third word is vaccine. Vaccine. The first C in red is hard form and the second C in blue is soft form, rather soft pronunciation. Here comes an interesting why. The reason, the question arises, why is it so? Why if we just pronounce the word cycle, the first C is giving S sound, why the second one is giving K sound? Why we cannot pronounce it like Kaisel? Why accident cannot be spoken like accident? Why it is circle, not cursor? Why? What is the reason behind? What is the rule that is working behind that we are supposed to produce S sound at times and we are supposed to produce K sound at times? Who is just at the back? Let us see the rule. We caught it. We caught the rule. Here is the rule. Look at this carefully. When C comes directly before the letter E, I, or Y. Let me repeat. E, I, or Y. These three letters are also called vowels. You would be surprised that Y is not a vowel letter, but it is also called semi-vowel. So E, I, and Y, they are very important in producing the sound of C. We use S sound when C is followed by these three letters. In other cases, with rest of all consonant, with rest of all vowel letters, we use K sound. Do you agree or not agree? Okay, just wait. I'm just coming up with proofs. Wait. Well, here I have come up with the proofs that I have made in the previous slide. Here are the words containing the letter C, but it is being produced the sound K. Here all C's are not followed by E, I, or Y. Hence, they're giving the hard sound of C, that is K. Look at the first example, like car. It is not followed directly by E, I, or Y. Cut. It is not followed directly by E, I, or Y. Cool. It is not followed directly by E, I, or Y. In the same way, curtain, carpet, confuse, and cut. You can see. Each C is not followed by E, I, or Y, hence it is giving K sound in each case. Look at this. Words containing the C pronounced as S sound because here in each case C is followed by either I, E or Y. Look at the first word, city. It comes directly before I. Scent. It comes directly before E. Dancing. It comes directly before I. Ice. It comes directly before E. Certain. This is the difference between curtain and certain. Curtain. C was followed by U, but over here in certain word, the word C is followed by E. That's why it is giving S sound. Face. Receive. Do you agree now? The rule that I've given you, it is 100% right, or does it have some room? Well, my dear boys and girls, my dear students, this rule is not 100% applicable. It is applicable 99.9%. What about 0.01%? What is that? Let me tell you in the last slide. And here comes the exceptions. Here it is the only one exception. One notable exception is the word soccer. Here you can see the second C is followed by E, but it is not giving the soft sound S, rather it is giving K sound. We pronounce both the letter C as a single K sound. It's soccer, it's not socks. So, can you find another exception? Do let me know. My dear students, the ending note is, no teacher can teach the student his self-knowledge. He can only lead them up to self-discoveries. Happy discoveries! Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.